My daughter got bullied in Roblox, so I found his dad and ruined his summer. Maya had just turned 8, and Roblox was her whole world. Obbies, tycoons, pet simulators, you name it, she was playing it. She'd even started recording her screen because she wanted to be a YouTuber, like the ones she watched during breakfast every morning. I figured, sure, why not? We set up a little screen recorder so she could narrate her games and edit them later. One afternoon, I'm on the couch scrolling through emails when I hear a weird sound. Quiet, sniffling from her room. I walk over and peek in. Maya's sitting at her desk, frozen, eyes glassy, tears just sliding down her cheeks. I ask her what's wrong. She just mumbles, "It's nothing," and tries to act like she's fine. But I'm a dad. I know when something's not right, so I sit nearby without saying much. Then I hear it, the Roblox chat audio. Some kids screaming slurs, calling everyone trash. Then suddenly, I hear a voice, same kid, say to Maya, "I'm gonna find where you live. I'm gonna take everything. You're just a dumb little girl." And just like that, I go into full Papa Bear mode. This punk, let's call him Turbo Loser, was trash-talking every kid on the server, dropping curse words like it was Call of Duty. And when Maya told him she was only 8, hoping he'd back off, he just got worse. Said she'd regret talking to him. Said he could find her IP address. Threatened to dox her. I mean, really disturbing stuff for a game meant for children. I called my wife over. She's usually the calmer one, but not this time. She was furious. While Maya was still visibly shaken, my wife reminded me she was recording. Boom. We had proof. And now, we had a mission. I pulled up the footage, found Turbo Loser's username, and started digging. First stop, a forum where he'd applied to be a Roblox game mod. It was public. And this kid? Not too bright. He listed his name, claimed he was 15, said he was from Buffalo but now lived in Orlando, and included his Discord handle, which was literally first name dot last name. Thanks for that, champ. I hit Facebook. No luck with the full name. But when I searched just the last name and filtered for Florida, I hit gold. I started scanning through profiles, and then I found one. A middle-aged guy, same last name. Profile bio said, former Buffalo native, now living in Orlando. Proud dad. That was my guy. I sent him a message. Something casual. "Hey, sorry to bug you. Do you have a son named First Name who uses the handle Turbo Loser on Roblox?" A few hours later, he responded, "Yes, why?" Then we dropped the hammer. My wife calmly explained everything. The threats, the slurs, the creepy stuff he said to our daughter. We included the footage, every second of it. Then we waited. No reply. Not the next day, not the day after. Radio silence. Until 5 days later, when we got a message back. It was short. "He's grounded for the summer. Laptop's gone. Just so you know, he's not 15. He's 11. And we had no idea." I almost felt bad for the kid. Almost. But you don't get to go around terrorizing little girls online and walk away like it's nothing. Not on my watch. That little Roblox tough guy probably spent his summer grounded, bored, and begging for screen time while his friends played without him. No YouTube, no games, no second chances. Sometimes, parenting means protecting your kid. Other times, it means making sure another parent knows their kid just messed with the wrong family.